What is going on YouTube, man? We are back with another video, guys, and in today's video we are going to be installing a cold air intake on the kitty cat today, guys. It is finally a long time coming with this, and I finally went ahead and ordered my cold air intake for the car. I wanted this one specifically because it's supposed to be the best one for the Dodges and the Hellcats, so I finally went ahead and ordered it. I went with Legmaker. Legmaker is an all carbon fiber cold air intake. So it's supposed to be the best, y'all. And also it's covered up and it's gonna make the whine a whole lot louder, because right now you can't really hear my whine unless you're outside the car because it's a closed intake box. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This right here is closed over, so it doesn't get all the air that it's supposed to get. Well, it still gets air, but it doesn't get the maximum air that this intake is gonna bring. So like I said, we're installing the cold air intake on the kitty cat tonight. I'm waiting on someone to come. We're gonna have a special guest on the channel tonight, guys, and he is on his way to help me change this cold air intake, man. So we got the cold air intake right here. It's all boxed. It came this morning, finally. The thing about these Legmaker air intakes is that they make them custom. So whenever you order it, they make it customly for you. So each air intake is made for an individual person. But it came in, guys. It took about a week for me to get it, but here's the cover for it over the top. As you guys can see, it's Legmaker and it's engraved. Like I was saying, everybody gets their own one, so nobody has the same one as someone else, basically. Which is kind of cool that they make it custom, because you know that you're getting something brand new and it's just not pre-made. So everything is just like all set and ready to go. But like I said, we're waiting on my buddy to get here, and then we're gonna start taking this thing off and get this box one off and put on the Legmaker, guys. I'm super excited because, like I said, it makes the whine on the Hellcat so much louder than what it is right now. But before he does get here, we're gonna show you guys what it sounds like before, so you can hear what it sounds like before we put the cold air intake on there, and get the before and after of what it sounds like. But y'all stay tuned, man. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because we are on the road to 2K subs. So we're gonna keep climbing all the way till we get to the top, no cap. And we're gonna get straight into the video. Let's get it. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna rev it up for y'all real quick so y'all can hear it. And then I'm gonna do a pull for y'all so y'all can actually hear it when it's like in drive. So here go the revs. See, like I was saying, you can kind of hear it. It's just not as loud as what it would be with the cold air intake on there. Alrighty, guys, we are back home now, and we got our special guest that I was telling y'all about here, man. Look who we got, guys.
Y'all can't see me.
We got him on the channel right now. It's your boy Red Eye Mondo. He's gonna be helping us put on the cold air intake. Well, he's gonna be putting it on, and we're just gonna be watching how to put it on, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how to put it on, but we're gonna find out. This is where you learn right here. This is where you learn. But you see, you got the tools right there, man, and we got Avi in the cut. What's good, Avi? What's up now? Yeah, there we go. So now we about to get busy, man. Let's see what we gotta do first.
Hey man, this tool ghetto as hell. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You bought some cheap tools? You went to Harbor Freights?
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Don't drop one down there, because we know that it ain't coming back. All right, man, so what do we gotta do first, Mondo?
I saw him fucking
You said what? Okay. Trust the process that we do?
Yeah, trust the process, man. No instructions.
No instructions. This is not a how-to video, y'all. This is not a how-to.
Get your own handyman. tried to. I don't even know how he started.
How you started the video?
No, he didn't even show what he took off first. The first video I watched. But you missing a thing right here.
With a washer?
Huh? No, it's right here. But I'm saying, it usually comes with a rubber piece. Like maybe you already had one and they forgot to put it back.
Yeah, probably so. It might have some on the other one, though. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, got it all bolted off. Bolts taken off. That just unclipped, don't it?
Mm-hmm. But I ain't trying to put too much force on it. Or you think I gotta unscrew it?
Did you already undo this? Or does that not come
No,
out?
that's a clip on. Like
Oh,
this
just
is
clips?
that's a clip. And there's a chip in there.
Oh,
Or you think I should unscrew it?
I don't know. Y'all let us know in the comments what we supposed to do. Are we supposed to unscrew this or unclip it? We don't know.
You don't know me.
This is not a how-to video, y'all. I'm telling you, this is do not do what we're doing right now. All right, y'all. So we figured it out. Gotta unscrew that piece right there. And then we'll be able to pull this thing off of here. I believe so. And get this other one put on there.
Get off of this car. I just know it's hot in this bitch.
So it's gonna be hot in there.
No, it's hot in here.
You gonna get the fan for you?
Yo, the thing.
Boy said he hot. He need the AC on. There it is, y'all. Got that part taken off.
Oh, this one just popped off. Back together.
And now, got partially.
I don't think I
The
should.
cold air intake is off now. What'd you say?
I don't think I was supposed to take these off anyway.
What? Those screws?
Yeah, I think it was, I thought it would be easier.
We don't have to reuse them, ain't we?
No. At least they here.
Oh.
Even that little inlet.
Yeah, yo, we got the cold air intake off now. Now we just gotta get the other one put on there. And get this cover taken off right there. And then we're gonna be all set for the new one to go ahead and slide back in there now.
Yeah.
Pop the other one back, it'll probably just go back in there just like that one.
Yeah, it should.
Yep, y'all. Stock cold air intake is out of there now. It's time for the Legmaker, man. You'll see it right there. It's carbon fiber. It's gonna have this thing breathing a whole lot better. A whole lot better. All right, y'all, and the process starts now. Putting the Legmaker on there. That carbon fiber looks so good. That 5. That 5, man. That 5. So y'all check out how cool this air intake is, man. It comes with a sleeve that you put over the air intake itself. So you don't get all the water. Is that what you said, the water?
Yeah, or dust.
The water and all that dust and whatnot. So it keeps your air filter clean. That's the perks, man, of spending $500 on air intake. Get quality, man, ain't that right? Get your quality. Hopefully.
Ah, fuck.
Don't scare me, man.
I forgot to put the ring in.
This was your idea.
See what it is.
You gotta take it all off again. We ain't gonna take a commercial break this time, man. We're just gonna let the camera keep rolling, y'all. It fits just like a glove.
Maybe. What?
I wanna go bye-bye.
I wanna go home.
You wanna go bye-bye? You just got here.
I don't give a fuck. I'm gone.
You just got here. You want to stay at my house? Ah, man. It's cause I forgot the fruit snacks, y'all. Or you want a piece of pizza? You want a piece of pizza? I brought pizza for y'all. Not even the pizza work, man. Not even the pizza work. Shucks. All right, y'all. We got it in now. I didn't put the glove on.
Put it on right now.
You put it on?
I think. Just slides on, doesn't it?
Yeah. I didn't know if she was gonna be able to get that angle though.
Why didn't you put it on?
I don't know. I ask myself that every day.
What? Let me just take it off. Here. You gotta hold it, nigga.
It fits like a glove.
Oh, really? I don't think this is big enough. What?
They ripped us off.
Some lifestyle.
Come on, now we got kids. We got kids watching. We don't know about no lifestyles. You watching this? Don't trust the lifestyles, man.
It's the first thing your daddy gets you, the lifestyle.
I know. That's the first thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't think it matters if it shows, does it?
Nah, I'm tripping off that. I'm just on there, really.
It's on there.
It's on there?
Mm-hmm.
Looks dandy to me. He's on there now. I'm really feeling that carbon fiber, man. Let's see.
That's what that guy said.
What?
You can't be touching this.
What, like the rail?
No, these coolant lines.
Boom! Blow something in, boy. Looks so much different with that big old box not sitting right there. Is that the sensors that you're hooking up right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hooking up the sensors now, y'all. Getting the plug and play going on, y'all. I can't wait to start this thing up and see what it sound like. And get some revs in this thing, man, because the whine, like I was telling y'all earlier, is about to be so much louder. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be sound like a real cat. Big cat. It's gonna sound like a big cat now. Hooking up the last sensor. Now I think we gotta put that plate on. And then I believe she is ready to go, guys. She is ready to go. But now y'all know who to hit up for all your handyman needs.
No, sir.
If you need something done, hit him up. He'll get you right. He'll get you right.
Maybe.
How-to-redarmando.com.
I just know for mine, it'll be faster.
It'll be faster?
Maybe, yeah, so.
Why? Because you ain't got the two sensors, do you?
Yeah. But I'm just saying it's gonna be faster because I know.
Oh, you know what you're doing. Well, you know what to expect, basically.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a review once he changed his on his cars too, y'all. When he put the Legmaker on the red eye, he's supposed to be getting his too. So when he does, we'll make another video of what it sounds like on the red eye, which I know it's gonna be ridiculously loud on there because his is already loud, and it's just about to be a whole different car after that. So All right, guys, we're back again, and I believe, don't quote us on this, I believe that my man's put it on there right. What you think? 50-50?
95%.
95. I like those odds right there. But yeah, y'all, looks a whole lot different than that big box that was just sitting right there. Now we're about to turn it on and see what it sounds like now. So let's see. All right, y'all, here we go. Let's see.
Ready?
Let's see. Yes, sir. Guys, now we are getting the after sound effect right here. So now we're gonna see what it sounds like with it on the rev, and then he's gonna do a pull for me. So let's see what it sounds like when you rev it. Oh yeah, y'all can definitely hear it, man. It is definitely a lot louder on the whine. And you can hear it, it woke it up so much, y'all. That's what y'all have to understand, that cold air intake woke up the whine so much, man. So let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, man. That sounds so good. That sounds so good. Oh yeah! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Man! Yes, sir! Yes, sir, man. I love it. Definitely worth the $500 for the air intake. 100%. Definitely worth it. There we go. I thought you was gonna run into that curve, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What?
I was like, slow down, nigga. As y'all can tell, man, it is so much louder, man. You can hear it? And just like that, guys, we are back home. And I gotta say that I'm so happy, man, with how she sounds. Because like I said before, you couldn't hear the whine really that much, but now you can actually hear the whine on the Hellcat so much more, man. And that is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So I gotta say, I'm super happy with the purchase, man. But I appreciate my boy Red Eye Mondo coming over here and helping me install the new cold air intake. But guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because we are on the road to 2K subs. But we're gonna keep climbing and climbing all the way till we get to the top, no cap. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next YouTube video, man. We out.